Mobile functionalities play a crucial role in enhancing asset management work, providing field technicians and maintenance teams with the flexibility and accessibility needed to streamline processes. Agencies have long recognized the need to listen to their customers, accurately identify problems, and implement timely solutions. Cityworks has designed field applications which encourage interaction with the system from a location such as a job site. Users can access authoritative real-time data, which has proven to be a time saver in helping organizations provide effective customer care. Here are some of the benefits of incorporating Cityworks mobile functionalities into your asset management. Real-time data access enables technicians to make informed decisions on the spot. They can view equipment specifications, maintenance history, and any relevant documentation, improving the efficiency and accuracy of their work. Technicians can receive and update work orders on the go, reducing delays in communication. This helps in managing workloads more effectively, prioritizing tasks, and ensuring that maintenance activities are carried out promptly. Technicians can use mobile devices to scan barcodes on assets, ensuring accurate and timely data entry. This streamlines inventory management, reduces errors, and provides a more accurate representation of asset status. In remote locations or areas with poor connectivity, technicians can still perform critical tasks such as updating work orders or conducting inspections. Once a stable connection is restored, the data is synchronized with the central computerized maintenance management system, ensuring seamless communication. By integrating geographic information systems capabilities into mobile applications, technicians can access spatial data related to assets. This allows for the visualization of asset locations on multiple maps, tracks geographic trends, and optimizing maintenance routes. GIS enhances decision-making by providing a geospatial context for asset management activities, helping teams to plan and execute maintenance tasks more strategically. Here we are now connected to the Cityworks mobile application. I'm logged in as a user from our roads department. Upon logging in, we're directed to a map view where we have access to work activities as well as GIS layers. From the Layers pop-up, we can turn layers on and off. If we don't want to see certain work activities like inspections or our traffic signs as in assets, we can always turn them off. We can also make certain assets selectable. Selection tools are here at the top. We can select manually through a polygon, or we can even select by using a barcode. The Cityworks application is available on and offline. Therefore, if your workers are working in a remote location where there's no connectivity, that's okay. Changes will be saved to the application and the device. And there's a sync notification available at the top. So once changes are made, a notification will become available and a user can sync back to the office once a connection is reestablished. From the main page, we can also create new work activities, like inspections, service requests, and work orders. We can access our work activities directly from the map by clicking on one, and we can open it up simply by clicking, or we can use our main menu and head to the inbox to see our users' work activities. As a manager, work activities for entire crews can be available on the mobile application. However, for this user, we're only seeing work activities that are assigned to this current user. So we can see we have work orders and inspections currently assigned. If I open up one of my work orders, I can see a detailed list of each work activity, their status, and level of priority. For today, we're going to be taking a look at our traffic signs and completing an inspection. Heading into the inspection, I can see I've got a traffic sign inspection. The work activities from the mobile application are made to be simple and straightforward so that users can be familiar with all work activities that they complete on the mobile application. From the top down, we'll go through this inspection. At the top, we have high-level information like the description, who the inspection was initiated by, its priority, status, and who it's submitted to. We can gather high-level information as well on dates and location, as well as any other information that's related to the location, including a facility or asset information. In the comments section, we can include general observations. In the observation section is where you'll see our inspection template and where we need to complete observations. So if I open this up, I can see a list of questions with answers related to the inspection, and we can complete the inspection from the top to bottom form. The inspection templates are highly configurable based off of your organization's needs, especially when it comes to the specific inspection question. Today, we're working with a traffic sign inspection, so you'll see questions relating to that traffic sign. It's simple to click on our answers and adjust where needed. We can enter information manually, or we can use a voice-to-text service. We can include things like a resolution, custom fields. Attachments are supported, so we can attach photos, videos, or files. We can also include signatures on our inspection to assure who was completing the inspection. Once a work activity is completed, it's as simple as toggling the activity, and we can sync these back to the office when needed. Now on our inspection is where we complete observations on our asset, but we also want to log our hours, labor, material, and equipment to accumulate costs on any work that's performed in the field, and we can do so through our work orders. So if we head back into our inbox and take a look at our work orders, we can see things, other traffic sign related work orders. So I can open one up. We'll check out this traffic sign installation and see how we can log hours against this from the field. So the form looks similar to an inspection form. However, you're going to see different fields to populate, including our labor, material, and equipment. Opening up our labor, users can easily navigate lists using search and filter tools. We can search for things like crews, different job rates or codes that can be related to the work, as well as employees. So on this specific work order, I have the ability to add hours, not just for myself, but for my entire crew. And you can see below that they will be assigned to specific assets. Heading back onto our work order, we can also do the same for material and equipment. If I open up my material page, I can also perform searches on specific materials that might be used for this work order. And I can add quantities and units to my work order, and they will also be assigned to the assets here. The same can be said for equipment. We can search and allocate some hours towards equipment usage, and it'll be assigned to our assets and this work order. So our equipment, labor, and materials pages look very similar. This makes for an easy user experience and diminishes the need for learning curves at each point. Heading back into the work order, if I open up my menu, we also have the ability to open up different applications and connect to ArcGIS applications directly from our Cityworks application. If I go ahead and open up FieldMaps, it automatically is connected to a traffic sign web map. Now this means that my ArcGIS FieldMaps application is directly connected to my Cityworks and connected to the assets which were on that work order. So knowing that, I can open up my ArcGIS FieldMaps. The location of the work order appears on the map, and I can see all of my assets, which are traffic signs that are in the vicinity that might be attached to my work order. And I have the ability to make GIS updates directly from my Cityworks and into ArcGIS FieldMaps. For example, if I select one of my assets, I can see all of the GIS attributes here on the left. I also have the ability to modify these. So I can update the point's location and attributes. I can even attach photos or file attachments. Once I'm completed, it's as simple as submitting these changes to a database, and we can head back to Cityworks by using this top left button. This allows for a seamless interactivity between our Cityworks, our ArcGIS field applications, and all of those together help us be more efficient in our asset management and work management. Here, we'll take a look at Esri Canada applications that can link to our Cityworks. First, ArcGIS FieldMaps, which we just saw in the demonstration, is an Esri app which enables mobile location as well as viewing and updating GIS data. This app requires a web map, which can be configured with editable layers, which we just saw for our traffic signs. When viewing a work order using Cityworks mobile apps, users can open the work order in FieldMaps to view the location and update GIS data. Updating asset GIS information enables your organization to continually strive for the most accurate system of record. ArcGIS Navigator is an Esri app for routing and navigation. Cityworks mobile native app users can use Navigator to get turn-by-turn directions to any address or asset. Navigator will also provide an optimized route if users need to navigate to multiple locations. Navigator works online or offline. Navigator can be opened from service requests, work orders, and inspections, and initiated for routing to the work activity or associated asset. Cityworks supports vertical assets using Esri's ArcGIS Indoors, which defines floor-aware indoor maps to visualize and select your assets. ArcGIS Indoors can be used to provide visualization of features in your facilities, treatment plants, and other vertical assets. ArcGIS Indoors uses geoprocessing tools to convert non-GIS, CAD, and building information model data to ArcGIS Indoors information model compliant features. The AIIM GIS data can then be visualized and explored inside the ArcGIS Indoors mobile and web applications. Cityworks can then be used to create and track work orders and inspections. Embracing mobile technology for asset management not only streamlines field operations, ensuring real-time data access and ease of use, but also empowers your organization to stay agile, responsive, and well-equipped for the future of efficient asset management. Making the move to mobile is a strategic imperative for sustained success.